Welcome to SHARIFAB. Alright, I'm going to be unboxing a couple of dolls today. I got another fresh doll. This is the Marisol doll for ages 3 and up. It's from the Vivid collection. She comes with some shoes. And that's it. She's redhead. Redhead. Comes with some shoes. These are the other dolls with the fresh doll drop this time around. So let's go ahead and get her out of the box so I can play with her. And I use this packaging when I build my doll houses and stuff, so pretty much nothing goes to waste around here. So let me see if I can move this down a little bit. Go like that. Alright. Snip her shoes out. She has like I want to say this is yellow gold. True sparkly. It reminds me of like 1970s socks. But I like it. But something I was wondering, how come they never have silver dolls? It's hard to get her hair out of here. But it's not silver dolls, but silver fashion. Ooh, her hair's soft. Her hair is soft. Let's see if I can move this up a little bit. Yeah. Her hair is soft. The dress is stretchy. Velcro's up in the back. It's got a little box here, but it's soft, and I wonder what it's gonna look like when I take it down. But I'm probably not gonna do that for a while. She's kind of big. She seems like she's a little bit bigger. Her head's big. She's got a little beauty mark. Hey. So let's see. Put her shoes on. Yeah, she's pretty. I like her. You know, she's got the regular articulation. Head moves from side to side, not up and down. A little bit, but not much. She moves at the elbows, not the wrists, which is perfect for me. Not the knees and the hips, but she doesn't. Her torso doesn't turn, which is fine. But her knees move. Oops, I just popped her shoe off. And no ankle movement, which I love as well. So that'll probably help her to last a little bit longer. But I'm gonna have to, you know, I got some bags or whatever to give to her. So give her a little contrast. Oops. Get her a little contrast. It's just a quick little video. Sorry about the movement. But let's see, let's put this up a little bit more. Get her on a stand. There we go. Marisol. I'm gonna have to figure out what I'm gonna name her. I'm not sure yet. Put it right there. Alright, so this other box. Uh-oh. I'm sorry, Marisol. Let me get you a different stand so you don't fall. Don't like that. There we go. And this other box I got Marisol from, I want to say, Amazon. And for sure, this deluxe box that I got from Mattel. Uh-oh, look at that. Can you see through it? Can you see it? Uh-oh. Looks like Wonder Woman. It's a collector's item. And I'm gonna play with my dolls. Let's open it. Oh, yes. Look at her. because I love me some Chris Pike, because he plays Captain Kirk, and I'm a Trekkie, so of course I love him. Doesn't really look like him though, but I guess he's okay. But this is the Wonder Woman 84, or the WW84 Wonder Woman. This is the signature line. On the back of the box, it just, I'm knocking, I swear, I keep knocking down Marisol. Hold on, let me move her again. Let's see if I put her right there. Marisol. Barbie dolls shine. Wonder Woman 1984. Barbie dolls shine in the spotlight on the timeless romance of Diana Prince and Steve Trevor. Diana has been living quietly among the mortals in Washington, D.C. and performing super heroic acts incognito. A chance encounter at the Lincoln Memorial reconnects her with Steve Trevor after decades of being apart. The world, however, is in danger. As Wonder Woman faces her fiercest nemesis, she must save mankind from a world of its own making and prove to everyone she's a hero for our time, for all time, for everyone. Sweet. No more than 20,000 of these were made worldwide. And let me open this box. And I basically got the box for fashion. Yes, I did. And her side swoop curly hair. Something just fell out. Hold on. Oh, that's the stand. And I just can't get Marisol to stay up. So pieces are just falling out of a box. Let's see. All right. So the stands are on the back. So I'm going to take those out. The certificate of authenticity is in the back as well. This actually says that it's for Wonder Woman. So that's pretty cool. But I'm going to play with them so that devalues them. The moment you open the box, devalue. But it's okay. Yes, and they give you the background, Washington, D.C. It looks pretty cool. And I thought her pumps were like tan color, but they're pink. So let me put the stands together. And they both seem to be the same stand. Nope, one is bigger, so probably his is the bigger one. Let's see. Get this one. Did I put it backwards? Okay. So I have both of the stands. And let me go ahead and clip these guys out. Her dress is clipped to the bottom so it can keep that flare that's happening. It's just a beautiful white gown. See? They have them holding hands. So I have to release them. I was able to release him first. Okay, so I got them out of the box, put them on their stands, and Trevor, let's break him down. First off, glad to have the extra stands. His hair is so crispity crunchity, and I'm gonna have to pull these extra little things out of his hair a little bit later, but his little watch is so adorable, but it clips on, and he's got his sunglasses, and he's got sunglasses and a hip belt, and his jacket zips. Let's see if the pockets work. No, they're just full pockets, but his jacket does zip, which is awesome. And he has, let's see, a t-shirt. Yeah, he just has a t-shirt underneath, which his pants velcro up on the back. He seems to be a decent size, but his hair, I don't even know if I'll ever touch his hair. Not a fan of it, but at least it's something. That's pretty cool. I like that. I'll be able to swap his clothes out. I love that jacket. I'll even have the girls wear his jacket. But yeah, the shoes look pretty cool. And Diana, let's see her. I don't know if they put underwear on her or not, but no underwear, but I do have underwear for her, which I don't know why they wouldn't give her underwear, but maybe because she was with her dude. I mean, she's so beautiful. She don't have to wear underwear. Articulation with wrist, feet, shoulders, no torso, but his head goes side to side, and it kind of swivels down, but not really looking up and down. Her head goes up and down and around. Her head goes up and down and around and around, and she bends everywhere. Her necklace is, what is that? It's like stretchy fabric. I don't know if I like that. But the shoes, they're pink. But her hair is, it does have product in it, but I love that it's swooped to the side, and look at her curls. That's just beautiful. And this gown, it ties in the front, and it has Velcro in the front, but it's just gorgeous. She's gorgeous. What's her, Gal, whatever her name is, Gal. She's a pretty chick anyway. But I'm happy. That's my review. My other dolls are gonna get to wear this, but I'm gonna have her rock this dress for a while. She does have a little bracelet on too, on her wrist, that clips off, like his watch clips off. But so that's more clothes to share with the other dolls. And that's my review, Wonder Woman. All right, so here's Marisol next to him. Her head's pretty big next to their head, but she's beautiful, olive skin tone. But that's my review so far of these dolls. Probably get more into it. I like the makeup. I like her lipstick is like a deep cranberry. I like it. I really do love it. It looks like she got some highlights on her brow bone highlight. I like it. So there you go. Wonder Woman and another fresh doll. Real quick. Live long and prosper. Don't forget to like, share if you like. Please subscribe. Please comment if you want me to do something, because I make miniatures. I'm a miniaturist. I make Barbie size and also 1/12 scale size items. If you have any requests of anything, please let me know. I have a Facebook page. Please see the comments. Also, I'm on Instagram. You can see pictures I post there of my dolls and different things. So that's it. See ya. Bye.